How it's going? Today I will be showing you how to use and define your own enum types in JavaScript. So there is no actual language support for enums like you might see C or Java, but what you can do is define a global a global object behaves and looks like an enum, but not actually an enum. So to define this, we can start with the constant. So constant keyword followed by the name of your enum. For me it will be direction, and direction might signify a direction that a player is moving toward inside a game. This is equals to an object literally. Now for the properties of this object, it will be the identifier what the values of your enum. So direction has up, down, left and right. We can define this like we will use uppercase to sort of the signify that it's constant, and for the value for this property name we can use the same name as property as a string. For example, up in a string format. We can do the same thing for the other four. So down, we can then use it in a function like this. For example, make a new function called say direction. So function say direction, which accepts a direction as a parameter. Direction as a parameter. We can then use a switch statement. We will switch out direction. So switch direction. We can do different things based on the value of direction, which will be one of these. We will say case direction, case direction dot up and log out a message saying we are going up. And we can do the same thing for the other three. So break, so that's all done. We can now test it by calling say direction, and passing one of this as a parameter. So we can say direction dot up. For example, we can save this and refresh the browser again. So and we go and get we are going up. Perfect. We can now test it with a few more ones just for demonstration. Purposes, we can say left, we can say right. So if we save and refresh the browser, as you can see we're going left, right and down. Right, so what that is basically all I wanted to talk about in this video. So obviously this is not actual an enum as said, but it behaves like one and it's look like one, so that's fine. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you later.